XRP has just been saved. This is the news we've all been waiting for, and trust me, it changes everything. For months, XRP has been stuck in a battle with the SEC, with its future hanging in the balance. But now, something huge has happened that could completely turn the tide in Ripple's favor. This isn't just another update. It's the kind of news that could boost XRP's value and finally remove the legal uncertainty that has been holding it back. If you're holding XRP, or even if you've been watching from the sidelines, this news could be a game changer. So, what exactly happened and how does it affect your investment? Stick around because this is a massive moment for XRP's future. So, what exactly is this huge news? Well, it's all about the SEC and Ripple. For years, XRP's future has been tied up in a legal battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC claimed that XRP was an unregistered security, and that lawsuit had been holding Ripple back from forming new partnerships and expanding. Investors have been on edge, not knowing whether Ripple would win or lose and whether XRP could ever reach its full potential. But now the SEC has proposed a settlement with Ripple. This is big. If the settlement goes through, it would essentially clear XRP of any wrongdoing, removing the legal cloud that's been hanging over it for so long. This would give Ripple the freedom to grow and expand without the constant threat of future lawsuits or regulatory hurdles. In short, the legal battle might be over and Ripple could finally move forward. And the best part? XRP's price could skyrocket as a result. Investors are already starting to react, and this could be the beginning of a new chapter for Ripple and XRP. Now let's talk about why this news is so important for XRP holders and the entire crypto market. If the SEC's settlement proposal is finalized, it would remove the biggest hurdle that's been standing in Ripple's way, the uncertainty surrounding XRP's legal status. For years, this uncertainty has dragged down XRP's price, making investors hesitant to fully back it. But with the legal cloud potentially lifted, Ripple would have the freedom to grow and expand without worrying about the constant threat of lawsuits or regulatory crackdowns. This could also lead to massive market confidence. With clearer regulations around XRP, more investors, especially institutional investors, will likely jump on board. Why? Because institutions hate uncertainty, and this settlement could finally give them the green light to get involved with XRP. Think about it. If companies like BlackRock or JP Morgan see that XRP is now clear from regulatory scrutiny, they might be more willing to invest or integrate XRP into their operations. On top of that, this could open up new partnerships for Ripple. With the legal drama out of the way, Ripple can focus on growing its ecosystem and forming partnerships with financial institutions, payment providers, and even governments. XRP's role in cross-border payments could expand, and as demand for XRP increases, the price could rise substantially. In short, the settlement could be the catalyst that finally unlocks XRP's true potential, not just as a cryptocurrency, but as a global payment solution used by major players in the financial world. So, what does this mean for XRP holders right now? If you've been holding onto your XRP through the legal uncertainty, this could be your reward. With the SEC settlement on the table, there's a new sense of clarity for Ripple, and that could translate into big price movements for XRP. As the legal cloud lifts, more investors may jump in, eager to get a piece of the action before prices go through the roof. In the short term, expect some volatility. As the news spreads, XRP's price could jump up quickly, but there may also be a few fluctuations as the market reacts to every new development. If you're holding XRP, this is a critical time. The price could experience significant growth, especially as institutional investors start to take a closer look at XRP's potential now that the regulatory risks have been reduced. For those who are waiting for a green light to invest in XRP, this might be the moment. With the SEC case nearing its end, more market participants, including institutions and larger investors, might see this as an opportunity to buy in. The confidence in XRP will rise and the price could continue to climb as the coin gains momentum. But here's the thing, if you've been holding XRP for the long term, this news could be a game changer. With the legal issues potentially behind Ripple, XRP could experience a level of growth and adoption that wasn't possible before. Whether it's through wider institutional support, expanding use cases, or even new partnerships, XRP's future just became a lot more promising. So, what should you do now? Stay informed, stay patient, and watch closely as the news unfolds. Whether you're planning to hold, buy more, or just ride out the wave, one thing's for sure, the future of XRP looks a whole lot brighter. Looking ahead, the potential impact of this settlement could go far beyond just the short-term price movements. Ripple's future is now wide open, and with that comes a whole new world of opportunities for XRP. As the legal hurdles are cleared, Ripple will likely be able to ramp up its efforts to expand globally. This could mean more partnerships with financial institutions, governments, and even payment systems like SWIFT or PayPal. Ripple's vision of using XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border payments is closer to becoming a global reality. One of the key areas to watch is Ripple's potential involvement with central banks and regulatory bodies. If Ripple can position XRP as a regulated, compliant asset, it could play a central role in the development of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Countries around the world are already experimenting with CBDCs, and XRP could be the solution that facilitates seamless cross-border transactions between these digital currencies. This would open the door for Ripple to become the backbone of international finance. Also, institutional adoption is likely to skyrocket now that Ripple is no longer fighting a lengthy legal battle. With companies like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and other financial giants potentially entering the scene, XRP's price could rise not just because of demand from individual investors, but because of the large-scale investments coming from institutional players. Big money has always been hesitant to enter the space due to the legal uncertainty, but with that now fading, we could see billions of dollars flowing into XRP, which would push the price higher and higher. Additionally, Ripple could now form more strategic partnerships with banks and fintech companies, especially in markets where cross-border payments are critical. Ripple's technology could help reduce costs and speed up transfers, which would make XRP an even more attractive solution for businesses looking to optimize their international payments. In short, the future for XRP holders looks extremely bright, and the potential for growth is massive. The news we're seeing now is just the beginning. As Ripple moves forward with this settlement and continues to push the boundaries of the global financial system, XRP could become a staple in the world of digital payments, with its value rising as adoption increases. The next few months are going to be crucial for XRP. Keep an eye on Ripple's progress and the ongoing market shifts. Things could move fast, and you won't want to miss out on the opportunities that are about to unfold. As we move forward, it's important to stay on top of the news and understand what's coming next for XRP. The settlement proposal with the SEC is just the beginning, and there are a few key developments that will shape XRP's path in the coming months. First, keep an eye on how the market reacts as the settlement gets closer to finalization. We might see some short-term volatility, especially as big players like institutional investors start making their moves. As more positive news comes out, XRP's price could see significant growth, but it's important to remember that the crypto market can be unpredictable. The key is to stay informed and be prepared for potential market swings. Second, pay attention to Ripple's business strategy. With legal clarity, Ripple can now focus on scaling its operations and forming more strategic partnerships. Whether it's with banks, payment providers, or governments, these partnerships will be crucial to XRP's long-term success. Ripple could also expand its efforts in developing CBDCs, further positioning XRP as a global payment solution. Third, regulatory developments will continue to be a major factor in XRP's growth. While the SEC settlement may remove the major legal obstacle, Ripple will still